You can help us name this house a little bit later, so stay tuned. Welcome to this house. This is awesome. My client purchased this house and we're not exactly sure what it's going to be used for, but basically he hired me to come do a consultation just to kind of give him some ideas for what might be done, what I thought might be done, and it kind of turned into more than that. He was totally on board with this being YouTubed. So if you are in the Russellville, Arkansas area, you might know this house. And if you want to come see the transformation, then please hit that like button and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can keep up with the progress on this house. I'm going to go ahead and hop outside. I'm going to give you a tour of this house. And then a couple of other things that I'm doing today. I'm going to be scanning the bathroom. I missed a scan when I came out here previously. And then I'm checking some measurements. I'm going to give you guys a tour and then see if you guys can help us name this house. Okay, here is the exterior. It's so cute. We don't think we're gonna do a whole lot to the exterior. Okay, and let's see if you can see this really cute half moon feature up in here. It's right in there in those little shutters. That little window up there is absolutely adorable. This super cute arch top door. Look at all of this original door handle, and here we are. We come right into the living room. We've got this fireplace here. These are so pretty here. I'm thinking that these are original. Yes, these are. And then we've talked about possibly turning this into a bay window. We're not sure yet. And then right here, we've got this sunroom. I think this used to be open. It was just a porch, I'm sure, but it's been enclosed at some point. And the reason I think it was open, I believe there's steps down there. We're not exactly sure what we're gonna do with this space. We might leave it closed in, we might open it back up, not exactly sure. This could be a greenhouse or just a nice little sunroom or maybe an office, but really cute space right off this bedroom and the living room. And then right here off the living room, we've got a formal dining room. I know that the inclination these days is to open everything up into an open floor plan. I actually like it the way it is. And you know, when I was talking to Jared during consultation, we talked about opening this up, and you know, a lot of people are actually wanting formal dining rooms again and some separation. So we might open this up a little bit to the kitchen, but I think we might leave this to the living room just as it is. We come right off the dining room into the kitchen. It has this cool butler door. Just swing through. There is no glass in there. I can reach all the way through. I come into the kitchen. There is this interesting built-in here that at first I thought I wanted to keep, but we're not sure now. And so here we've got the kitchen. This is absolutely not original. I don't know when these were done. There's some kind of awkwardness going on there. So basically all of this is gonna come out. I'm just gonna get a new kitchen. We're gonna make it look old like it belongs, and we'll go out there here in a little bit. Right over here, I think there was a fireplace and a chimney back behind here, and I think that's where this bump out came from. I think it's all been taken out now, so we're probably going to be able to rip that out and then just let this go flush, so we won't have this strange jog in the kitchen anymore. But then I believe we're gonna open this up to the dining room just a little bit right there, just to let a little bit more light through and let that be a little bit more open. Now, this built-in right here has this great leaded glass. Really a neat feature. I hate to take this out, except there's something funky going on here. This connects to this hallway back here, and this is bumped out right here. So I don't know if that was original and that's just how somebody did it. Maybe somebody wanted to alter a plan to fit in a piece that they already have, or maybe that was added. But basically, flow-wise, I don't love this because we walk into here and this is just like a foot away and it's right here in the way. So I think we may end up taking that out, but we might be able to recycle it and reuse it in some way, but that is definitely up for discussion. So off the living room, we can go into the dining room there, but we can also go down this hallway. So this hallway right now goes all the way through. I'm not sure if it will when we're done with it, but there's one bedroom right here. And it opens up to this sunroom over here. It's got a closet, cedar-lined closet, which is pretty nice. It's not big, but it's actually not too small. It's hard to see in there. Okay, that might have made a little bit of difference. Let there be light. Okay, so we come into this hallway. I don't even know exactly what to call this. It's this hallway that comes off both ends, and then there's kind of this open area here. And I know it is really hard to see right here. I'll get better video of it another day, but this is the attic access. This is the coolest attic access pull down ladder I have ever seen. It's a little wobbly, but I'm sure at one time it was really, really sturdy. And this is a really big opening. Now, we're not going up there today, but we're talking about using that as a second floor. Jared is really interested in exploring the possibility of adding level up there. We're looking at putting in an actual staircase in here and hopefully not having to move walls around too much, because I like to leave things alone as much as possible. I have no idea what that sound is. Again, kind of hard to see here in the dark, but it's got this little telephone nook. And then in here, we've got a bathroom. I do not know what's up with these arches. It's kind of a feature, but basically this bathroom, sorry bathroom, you're getting bedded. This is actually the room that I was missing the scan for. So I got that. We come out here and you can see there's the opening to the dining room, and then there that goes back to the living room. And then here, this also connects to the kitchen over here. And then we've got a little linen closet right here. Okay, now here's this other bedroom. Again, really good sized bedroom. This is currently a 3-bedroom home, and we're not sure exactly what we might do with the upstairs, but really like this. I don't know what that was. Okay, so again, decent sized closet for a house of this age. So this bedroom attaches to the master bathroom, and I think when we're, not the bathroom, the bedroom, duh. Okay, but I think when we're done, it probably will not. So this entry might go away. Let's go in from the other way. Okay, here we go down this hallway, and we've actually got a laundry room. Down this hallway, there is a gas water heater in there. This is actually a pretty impressive size closet slash laundry right there. And here we go into the master bedroom. So much light. We are looking at this doorway right here getting closed up, and then there's a closet right here that I think might get taken up with the other closet there, and we're going to do some reworking. So when we're finished with this, I'm not sure if this is going to be the entry. I think we might do something different, but let's go check out the bathroom. Now, there's a well-known Mexican restaurant in this town, and one of Jared's kids referred to this as their bathroom. And I gotta say, he's not wrong. These colors, y'all, wow. Okay, one thing that I really want to do in here is put a freestanding tub right in front of these windows. There's this neat garden in the back, and there's also this awkward dead space here. And basically at some point, somebody worked in some master closet space into this bathroom space, and it does not feel original. It feels completely disjointed from the rest of the house. So that is, in my book, absolutely gonna go. So basically we're looking at ripping all of this out, and I'm really thinking we're gonna put the bed on this wall. So how nice would it be to look out there? Really deep backyard, and I'm really wanting, there's not really a whole lot of backyard access, but it's really nice out there, and well, it will be really nice out there. And so I'm really wanting to make these windows into a set of doors, maybe a double door, like a double French door flanked with windows or something. We might keep the same opening size as far as width and height. And here we are back in the kitchen, and we're gonna go out here, and there's this little room right here. I'm not sure exactly what purpose this serves. I think this might have been an addition. We're actually talking about making this the laundry room and reclaiming that existing laundry room for some other stuff. But look at these details. This gorgeous doorknob. I don't know if that's original. I think it might be. It's kind of hard to tell in some spots, but let's go look at this beautiful backyard. Now, it was really overgrown, but there are some bones here for some really interesting stuff. I would love to have seen this in its heyday when it was all beautifully taken care of. There is a pond here. We are in Arkansas and it's snake season, and I did not wear boots today, so I'm gonna be careful where I'm walking. But there's all this stone inlaid here. There are paths. I mean, this was really, really something at one point. This this pond here has like a little stream coming to it with a little bridge over there, and I know there were just a lot of plantings in here, but they had gotten completely overgrown. So not sure what's going to happen back here. It's got to be a little bit lower maintenance, but it's a really cute backyard. And this garage back here is probably going to have to be removed and might have to rebuild something. There's not really any good place to turn around, and so we're gonna have to resolve that issue. But how cute is this back here? I think in there it's actually quite private. So this is a really nice space back here. One of my favorite things about this place is actually this driveway. It's really cute the way that it comes here. It's got these great crepe myrtles lining this side. Somebody took care of them the right way. They didn't chop them off. Please don't chop off your crepe myrtles with a chainsaw. And then we come back to this garage, which is probably, like I said, gonna go. And I'm afraid this large crepe myrtle here is probably gonna have to go. It's really close to the house. And I don't think I've ever seen one that huge, so I don't know if it's maybe nearing the end of its life. But this thing is not in great structural shape, and we've got to be able to get back in there and create some kind of turnaround. But this is a really nice space. When I was here last time, just even looking in the driveway and seeing the sunset, it's really a special place. So this is going to be a really great house. I'm excited about it.
Okay, now that you've had a tour and you've seen the house, see if you can help us out. This house has these great little half moon features on the shutters on the outside that you saw, and we're trying to think of a name for this house. Now, sometimes old homes have names, and we want to see if this house already has a name, and then see if we want to keep that name. So Jared and I are checking in with a few people who might know these things. We're gonna check in and see if it already has a name, and then decide if we want to use it or if we're gonna come up with something new. Now, Jared is a little undecided on what the exact purpose of this house is gonna be. There's some talk of potentially using it as a vacation rental, in which case it would need a name. So we've been kind of tossing some names around. That beautiful moon feature on the house, I think we're gonna want to keep that because it's really, really cute, and it's unique to this house, and it's a definitive style. So it's very cute. I think we're gonna keep it. So we're tossing around the Moon name. So a few contenders right now are Moonlight Manor, the Moon House, Half Moon Hall, Half Moon House, and maybe some other things. So if you guys have a favorite of one of those, drop it down in the comments and let us know. Or if you have a suggestion for something else, that would be amazing. It's got this great cottage vibe on the front, but we love that moonlight, bringing that in somehow. So if you have a suggestion, absolutely drop it in the comments and see if you can help us name this house. And that's all for today. Stay tuned for the next episode of The Moon House.